It's Sunday, and I'm Bob. So if you don't know what that means, it's time for another edition of Bob's Smokin' Sundays. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and you know what? We're going to have a good time. Today on the program, we are going to be seasoning the 4-burner flat iron griddle, compliments of the fine folks at Chargriller Grills. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to take a little hot soapy water, get that on the grill top. That's the first and only time that this thing is going to see soap. Otherwise, when you clean it, you don't use soap. Otherwise, you have to re-season it every time. So we're going to do that. We'll get it dried off. Turn the burners on. All right. And we're just going to let this completely dry. So the next step in our process is to get this griddle seasoned, and then we will get oil on it. We're using a grape-seed oil, which is a high temperature oil. Just something I saw at the store and thought, why not try it? So we'll go ahead and get that seasoned, and we'll show you what we did. You want to make sure you get the back as well, on the sides. And then you're going to let that go until the oil stops smoking. So you can see the smoke that's coming off of it right now. It'll probably take about 10-15 minutes or so for all this smoke to stop. We'll start to get some color on the griddle, and then we'll add some more oil. The smoke has kind of stopped here, so we're going to add some more oil here on this guy. We'll let that smoke off, I don't know, another 10 minutes or so. So that about wraps it up for this edition. We've got our 4-burner flat iron Chargriller griddle seasoned. We put 7 coats of grapeseed oil. We put it on over medium-ish heat. Let the smoke disappear. We'd add another coat. Let the smoke, clear. Put another coat on it. It is, as you can see, it is nice and dark. So I think our work here is pretty much done. We're going to go ahead and cut the burners and let this thing cool down. Once it cools down, we'll add another thin layer of oil just to protect it. Put the cover on it and get ready to cook our first cook on it. That'll be the next video. Have a great day.